The death toll from Morocco's earthquake continues to rise. The future of Christchurch's cardboard cathedral is up in the air, and grocery prices on the rise again. Kia ora, I'm Wilhelmina Shrimpton, and these are your latest NZ Herald headlines. Rescuers are scrambling to find survivors following the deadly earthquake that struck Morocco at the weekend. More than 2,100 people have been killed, with rescuers expecting the death toll to keep rising. Nearly 2,500 others have been injured. The 6.8 magnitude earthquake struck on Saturday, and many people have been left without shelter. It's been described as the strongest quake to hit the region around the ancient city of Marrakech in more than a century. Labor insists National's plan to bring back health targets is just its policy with a lick of blue paint. Chris Luxon's underlined 5 key target areas, including emergency departments, with 95% of patients to be admitted, discharged or transferred within 6 hours. On top of that, 95% of 2-year-olds would receive their full age-appropriate immunisations, with one-off jab incentive payments also in the mix. But Labor Health spokesperson nzherald is unimpressed, suggesting it's nothing new.
I think he's cut and pasted Labor policies and put a blue National sticker on them.
Heightened tensions driven by disinformation is causing security concerns along the campaign trail. Just a week in, major disruptions have taken place at election events, including a media stand-up with Chris Luxon and a chaotic Labor Party launch. The Disinformation Project Director, Kate Hanna, says protest is important, but this level risks deterring people from participating in the democratic process.
When you intervene in that manner, you also say to audiences that they might experience that kind of disruption, and that's the bit that's actually really concerning.
The future of Christchurch's cardboard cathedral is in question. The Anglican Diocese of Christchurch has agreed to dissolve the building as a cathedral, and a working group has now been established to work through options. Anglican Bishop of Christchurch, Peter Carroll, says all future plans will look at how it might remain as a building, but won't be their cathedral. He says while there are concerns the building could be sold, Carroll says the cathedral would be safe for at least 4 years. Costs from grocery suppliers to supermarkets increased 6.6% in the year to August. An Infometrics Foodstuffs Index shows just under 4,000 items increased in cost, including frozen foods, broccoli, potatoes and lettuce. But Infometrics principal economist Brad Olson says costs aren't increasing at the same pace they had been towards the end of last year.
Although things aren't becoming any cheaper all of a sudden, it's still good news to see that slight moderation in pace.
And those are the latest NZ Herald headlines. For more news worth knowing, head to nzherald.co.nz.
Thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. To stay up to date with all the latest news from the New Zealand Herald, click the subscribe button below or check out one of the videos here, and head over to nzherald.co.nz for more details on these stories and more.